Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how can you deposit your GRT into a billing contract which is currently living on the Arbitrum network. As you know that the billing contract has been moving from the Polygon network to the Arbitrum network, which is a little bit change the experience how can you deposit your GRT into the graph protocol and creating your API key. Before you begin to the next step, make sure that you have a GRT into your MetaMask and as well as adding an Arbitrum network when you want to withdraw your token. If you don't have a GRT in your wallet yet, you may get the GRT from the other exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or you also can get it from the Uniswap. To add the Arbitrum network into your MetaMask, you may go to the developer.offchainslabs.com and navigate to the for developer tab and go to the public chains. And this is the RPC that you need to add to your MetaMask. This is the Arbitrum network information that we need to add into our MetaMask network. This will help you in the future if you want to withdraw your GRT from the billing contract. Now let's go to the billing and then deposit our GRT into the billing contract. Go to your product and go to the Subgraph Studio. And connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you can go to billing. Now let's add the GRT into your billing contract by press add GRT. In this section, you can input the designated amount of the GRT that you want to put into your billing contract, or you can just press max, which is the maximum amount from your wallet into the billing contract. When you allow, which is mean you allow the billing contract to access to your fund from your wallet. When you finish, add your billing to the balance. Bear in mind that in this process will take a gas fee from your wallet. So you at least you need to have some ETH to cover the fee. When the transaction is confirmed, now that GRT is already deposited to your billing contract. It will take a little bit of time that your billing balance will be available so that you can query the data from the Subgraph protocol. I bet you should not wait at this moment. You can create a API key. Once your billing balance is ready, you can start query right away. This is not required because you can skip, or you want to specify your organization, your email and your name. Go to security and add the subscribe ID that you want to query. Now that you already have an API key, and what you only need to wait is for the GRT to available on your billing balance. So after you living for a while, you will see your billing balance available on your billing balance, and there's a few changes when the building contract moving to the Arbitrum. Because when you deposit GRT into your building balance, the Graph Studio will handle the bridge for you automatically. And you can go and check the transaction history, and here there will be the date that you deposit your GRT, and you can see the transaction detail, which is live on the Arbitrum scanning. So you will see the from the contract to from this address to this address. This is null address because it is a meaning from the new contract. Also, you can withdraw your GRT, but at this time when you want to withdraw, you need to change your network. For example, you change from Ethereum go to Arbitrum, connects wallets again, and then press withdraw. So I just want to leave my GRTs here so that I can use for query in the future. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want another video that related to the Graph protocol, please let me know and comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video.